Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to make viral reels and YouTube shorts using the AI tools from idea to script, visuals, and even editing. So what you can do is you can first of all use AI to find the viral ideas. For that, you can either go to chatgpt.com, this one right here, or Claude AI as well. You can head over to any of those. For example, let's say ChatGPT. Once you reach over here, you can ask them to give you topics. So for example, you can ask them to give me 10 topics, short video ideas, short video ideas that are going viral this week. So I'm just gonna type in prompt. You can also type in similar kind of prompt and hit enter. And that should start searching for you, and it will show you what's trending on YouTube or Instagram right now. So for example, the stare around the feet of Ophelia dance is going viral for now, and apart from that, mini vlog, quick DIY life hack that actually works, and different other things. You can look out for that. You can search for example, for YouTube or Instagram to get more detailed description. So you can just go and look out for those. We have makeover, microvlog, reaction, POV train, and different other kind of video that are going viral right now. So what you can do is now you can just go ahead and make the script fast and engaging. So you can just go ahead and type in, for example, write a 30-second viral YouTube video that is on trending right now. So you can just go ahead and hit enter, and you can use we when narrating. It feels more inclusive and natural, and you can wait for some certain minutes for ChatGPT or any other AI for storytelling. You can even use Notion AI for quick summarizing. After that, there goes the script. You can just go and read this script right here to keep every sentence under for retention. You can just go ahead and use those, and that should do it. Now, if you want to go ahead and use AI video tools to bring script to your life, what you can do is you can use different AI video editors. For example, Sora AI is one of them. You can go over to OpenAI Sora for that and log in if you're not logged in. And you can use it to create realistic cinematic clips from prompts. So right here in the main screen, you can find different kind of ideas available. You can look out for those if you want to use the script into the videos. You can even describe your prompt right here in this box, and you can use that video later by using the script to create images for cutaways, etc. And that way you can do it. That clip will instantly make your short look professional. And apart from that, once it is completed, you can use CapCut or any other video editor to put it together fast. So there are different kind of video editing application, for example, CapCut or DaVinci. You can look out for those, and you can go ahead and install it and edit. And by making those tiny edits, that should make a massive difference. And keep the videos under 30 seconds if you're trying to create a video, so that it will be more engaging for the audience and they won't be getting bored of it. And that's it. That is how you go ahead and make viral reels and shorts using the AI assistants. So therefore, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.